Today we are going to deal with this equation which involves radicals n minus square root of n is equals to n multiply square root of n, where n is greater than equals to 0. We are going to solve this equation to find the value of n. So this equation can be written as n minus square root of n, take this to this side, minus n multiply square root of n equals to 0. This n can be simplified as square root of n multiply square root of n minus square root of n minus n multiply square root of n equals to 0. Take square root common here, so this simplifies to square root of n multiply bracket square root of n minus 1 minus n bracket close equals to 0. Now both of these terms can be equated to 0, so this becomes square root of n equals to 0, and this term square root of n minus 1 minus n equals to 0. Well, here square root of n equals to 0. Now square on both sides, so this becomes n equals to 0. So for this equation, we got one value of n, that is n equals to 0. Now we have to solve this equation, which can be further simplified as the square root of n is equals to 1 plus n. So the second equation we got here is square root of n equals to 1 plus n. We are squaring on both sides, so this simplifies to n equals to 1 plus n square plus 2n. Takes to the side, this equation simplifies to n square plus 2n minus n plus 1 equals to 0, which is equals to n square plus n plus 1 equals to 0. Now this equation is in the form of an square plus bn plus c equals to 0, where a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c is also 1. So n will be equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiply 1 divided by 2 multiply 1, which is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 will be equals to minus 3. It's equals to square root of minus 3 divided by 2, which is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 can be written as square root of 3i divided by 2. I is the complex unit. So here we got two values for n, that is minus 1 plus square root of 3i divided by 2, or minus 1 minus square root of 3i divided by 2. And earlier we got n equals to 0. So we got three values for n. So this equation can be satisfied by three values of n, which are n equals to 0 and n equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 3i divided by 2. So this is the solution.